I'm leaving.
Hey everybody, once again, got a stranger in the room.
Where?
Because she hasn't, not a stranger in the room, but a stranger on the video. So she had this idea that she wanted to, she actually, I guess she did. Hold on, did I say you needed to build one? Or
you said you had some, we finished Stranger Things, not you, me. And Ellie, and you said, I have some Stranger Things cards. I said, well, I might be interested in building one of those.
Yeah, but I think that you had mentioned even before that you was thinking about, you know.
No, because I didn't know.
Not the Stranger Things, but you had said something about like.
Yeah, I don't know. It
building
something
one.
That I was.
And then I said something about Stranger Things, and she. Have you guys watched that? I haven't.
It's good.
I only caught like bits and pieces whenever they would be watching it, and I'd sit down. She says, "You'd like this a lot because it's what
from the 80s.
80s was like late 80s theme or whatever, which that is. I like that, but
it's really good. I mean, I liked it. I can't give anything away because I don't know if you guys have watched it, but
it never did nothing for me when I watched it.
You came in and saw like
I'm saying
seconds of
no,
it.
I saw more than that. I'd sit down for 15, 20 minutes sometimes watching.
Yeah, but if you start in the middle.
But it just, I don't know, it just didn't do it for me. So I just.
Season 5 wasn't my most favorite, but. The last
very
one,
last one
at Christmas time, but whatever it's
anyway.
or New Year's.
So I got these Stranger Things. There is another one. There's a van that I don't have.
What van?
The radio van or whatever. It's a Chevy van, I think.
Gosh, what's her name?
I don't know.
She does the radio stations. The radio, yeah.
Okay, I knew that these, which I had these two, and I just got this, but I didn't even know about the other van. So I saw it. There was another one, so I might have to get that, and maybe somebody want to build that too.
Yeah, because Ellie wants to build one, which I think she might want to build this one.
Yeah.
But I don't know if she'll be on a video or anything.
Ellie is super.
Oh gosh, hang on.
Super.
That's her. No, I'm not gonna answer it.
She's been on videos, you know, like in the shows and stuff. Not that nobody's ever talked to her. She's talked back, but she's just got super fear about being on a video. I don't know what it is. It's easy. You don't have
Well, she's shy, kind of.
She's shy, but she works at a coffee shop where she's got to talk to people all the time.
Yeah, but that was difficult at first, but she's gotten a lot better.
You'd think that would, I don't know. Is it weird to you to talk to a camera? But it's just me and you here, but then people.
I think the first time when you had me first do like a video, it was a little strange. Like I'm looking at a camera, but I have to think it's.
I guess my first video was strange and awkward. If people go back and watch it, it was honestly, it's like, oh man, I look like an idiot.
No, you didn't.
Well, I did.
No, you didn't.
I did.
No, you didn't.
Thank you. All right. Anyway, so she's thinking about. No, you're not thinking about.
No, I'm gonna do one. I just finished my
Yeah. I was about to show you this.
This was my birthday present. 3 years ago?
If you guys have watched any of the videos, I talk about stuff that's been in the way. This wood, like book nook stuff. So I asked her last night.
Oh.
That's a chair. It's just sitting.
I haven't glued it back down yet.
Anyway, this is just the stuff's been here. She had worked on it for I don't know. I thought I had attention deficit disorder, but I think she's got it because she could sit down and work on it for I don't know. You might give it 20, 30 minutes and then you're gone. And
that's not ADD. That's just okay. I'm bored with it. I need to move on to something different.
Getting bored, you know. But anyway, so last night she was working on it for a little bit. I mean, literally, all you do is wrap some books.
Okay, our daughter came over.
That's right, Gracie came over.
And then, so I went into the house with her, and then I didn't come back.
And I was helping. I said, I'll help you build it.
Yeah.
And then she comes out here today, and it's...
I was like, what the heck? You put it all together, and I wasn't able to, he shouldn't have put it together yet, because I couldn't get my books in there.
And built it, and then forgot, and I kind of, you don't glue this stuff, but I had to glue a few pieces, and so it won't come back apart. And there's like bookshelves in there that didn't have books on it.
Tweezers.
Oh, you got them in there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah.
It was very strategically.
Oh, my goodness.
But I'm supposed to have posters in the back, and I can't get to it because...
Teach you to build it instead of...
Listen, I have lots of things going on.
So that's almost done. So anyway, then... Okay, so anyway, talk about these things. And so I was telling Heather that's an old monogram kit. I've heard it's not that great, but
This is Billy's car.
well,
Those of you who watch Stranger Things,
well,
y'all
it
know
says it
that.
right there, yeah. And then
Oh, yeah.
Jim Hopper and Argyle
Well, they just call him Hopper.
Hopper,
This is the one the girls say I have a crush on, but I don't.
Mr. Hopper.
Yeah.
So you said Ellie might want to build that one. If she gets out here and builds it, I think that I'd be able to at least get her on camera. She will not talk. I don't think she would. But she's just so scared.
Shy, but whatever.
And then there's these two. And Ruthie might build one too.
Yeah,
she told me just recently she wants to build more.
And I
said,
she'll build one of these.
Well, I told her, I said, good, you can build one of the two that you've already started. But
well, she hasn't watched Stranger Things yet, so she might not be as interested in it.
But she's
only watched season 1. She hasn't finished it.
And anyway, so which one? I mean, obviously,
I think I'm going to do
Billy's car.
I don't know. It's going to either be Billy. I have to really think about it.
Man, that is a heavy box. They're all pretty heavy.
I'll probably do Billy's. Because the girls will pick on me if I do Hoppers. They're like, yeah, Mom, you have a crush on him.
My goodness. Well, who cares? But anyway, so yeah, that's pretty neat. So so she said she's going to. How long will she stay out here at the time? 2 years,
maybe.
yeah.
I'll be done.
Yeah. So I'll probably we'll put it on like a pan or something so I can take it when she's done and just put it somewhere so it'll be
because I sit in the house and twiddle my thumbs all the time.
That's what she literally does. She sits in the house and watches television all the time.
That's all I do.
Anyway, yeah, so I thought we'd get on here and just talk about that. And
yeah, because I haven't done one since
Kim over in Denmark had a Christmas. We built it together.
Yeah, we did. But that was like 2 Christmases ago, wasn't it?
It was not this Christmas, but the last Christmas, yeah. So we built the little green Volkswagen. We built it together. It's inside. That's actually the only model.
I was thinking it was a truck.
Oh, it's the little green. You built your white truck over there, but that wasn't a Christmas build. That was your. Let's see, is that the only one you did? That and then helped with the Volkswagen, I suppose. That 55.
I had a Christmas tree in the back of a truck at some point.
Okay, well, you did it just because.
Okay, whatever.
Just because you built it in the winter. Yeah.
Yeah.
So there's only 2 you've done.
Is it? No, I did a Jeep.
Oh yeah, you sure did. It's right there. That's right, because we all the way took that thing all the way to New Hampshire. Yep. Yeah, it'd be neat. I think
they probably watch Stranger Things. Do y'all?
Oh really? Who do y'all have a crush on?
I never said a crush.
There's there's
Winona Ryder.
Oh yeah, well she's the only grown person.
He's grown.
I'm talking about woman. I'm not talking about a guy. I'm saying because most of these are guys.
Oh yeah. Well.
It'd be kind of. I mean, you can have a crush on Billy and Jim and
that's who
Argyle, but
oh no, our girls have a crush on not Billy. What's the guy he sings? They've been hooked on this. Yes, because
I know who he looks like, but I don't know his name.
What's his name? My mind's throwing a blank.
I have no idea. Couldn't tell you his name.
It doesn't matter.
All right, so I guess you're wanting to build it just like that, right? Like color and everything.
Is there a monster in there too?
No, I don't think so. I think that's just the theme. It doesn't say. No, I mean there ain't no monster. It's just the car. Gorgon?
Demigorgon? I think that's what they're called.
I don't know.
Yeah.
So what was significant about him? Didn't he die? Billy?
What if they haven't seen this?
Oh,
you
sorry.
just gave it away.
I'm asking if he did. Okay, I won't say anything about it. Sorry.
He might have. He maybe not. I don't know.
That was one of the.
I can't tell.
One of the scenes I did see. The car does. I think it gets wrecked, doesn't it? No, I don't think it did. No, it didn't. I can't remember.
I think it did.
Okay. Anyway, we better
there's
stop talking about that.
It's 5 seasons. It's like there's a lot to remember.
Giving it away for people that actually want to watch this mess.
Yeah. Well.
All right, so there you go.
Not doing the pizza.
I don't have, and I've only got one of these, so you can't mess it up. I don't even have the. This thing.
Hey, what? I don't know. I still might do.
Well, that's fine.
I don't know.
I mean, I only have one of
it's
each,
either
but it's okay.
Yeah. I wish Nancy's car was in it.
This one I looked it up, and it was this is originally tooled in 1979 by Monogram. It's 1/24. So I looked at all the pictures on ScaleMates to see if maybe I had another one like that. I'm just interested in if I had another one. I don't think I do, but when I was younger, I always hated this model of like Camaro or Trans Am or anything. I just hated them. Thought they were so ugly. But man, now they're so nice looking to me. I don't know, but I still hate sweet peas. You know, your taste changes, and your in your literal taste and your taste for cars and stuff. But, celery and sweet peas. And you know, I've not like ate any sweet peas intentionally, but I've got celery by accident, and it's just awful. I've always hated it. Always hated that mess. So all right, well, just a quick shorty.
Yep.
And I guess the next one with her will just be cracking it open and starting, and we probably end up having about 20 parts on that video. She worked on it for 3 minutes, went inside. Video 1.
Listen, I get hungry, I get tired.
I do too.
I have things I have to do.
All right. So maybe she'll get out here soon. Like how soon do you think this might be?
I could come out tomorrow, being that I don't have anywhere to go tomorrow, so I might can come out tomorrow. I'm not making any promises, but it'd be somewhere between Friday and Sunday. I will come out here.
You'll start looking at it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, that's about it, guys. That's a wrap.
Yep.
Anyway.
Now you're going to be awkward. Listen, you're leading. I'm not closing it out.
She wanted to do, I've been in here working, putting some little shelves and stuff up and I did some rearranging today on my model kits and all, and she comes back. She went and worked out today and come back, and it's just like, okay, let's do this video. I said,
you mentioned it yesterday, and I was like, I was hungry, I needed to take a shower and all this, and it was just like, I can't do it right now. So I was like, I got home from the gym, and I was like, all right, if you want to do it, you need to do it now, because he can stay up late. Like, he doesn't require a lot of sleep, where I'm like, once the sun starts going down, I start shutting down.
Just to change topics and just ramble on, I've always been like the girls when they get like Ruthie or whatever. She said the other day, I can't wait to get into bed or something like that. And
she does work like 10-hour shifts.
She works 10 hours 3 days a week, and then a partial day on Tuesday. Yeah. She only works 4 days a week. But anyway, I told Heather, I said, I have never ever, even as a kid, I've never wanted, I'm like, oh man, I can't wait to go to bed. It was always like, man, I don't want to go to bed yet. I'm so like polar opposite with that.
My bed's calling my name.
Man, my oldest daughter, Gracie, she'd be in bed at 7 o'clock or something. I can remember when she was still at home.
About 7 o'clock.
She would be in bed early. Like if in the wintertime when it gets dark early.
Yeah, but she also stood on her feet all day doing hair.
Okay. All right.
So.
But anyway.
You're just Superman.
Yeah. But now I'm just saying, I just always fought having to go to sleep because... Now you can turn the TV on at night, and I just sit there, and it just puts me out. I
cannot sleep with the TV. Like, I go to bed and I read my books. So.
Or if there's a movie or something, typically she'll just be awake through the whole thing. It's always,
I can't sleep through a movie.
Me and my mom have always had this narcolepsy when it comes to watching movies or something. It just puts me. This is so funny. Me and my mama went to I must have been.
You were a teenager?
18 probably. And we went to see...
Birdcage.
No, it was Men in Tights. It was the stupid Robin Hood Men in Tights. It was one of those funny ones. And we both were
heads back.
We were both out. And we just both sitting there, slept through the whole darn movie at the movie theater. So anyway, it was yeah, I can't do it. But anyway, I don't know how we got to that subject, but anyway, all right. Good to see you guys.
Yeah, good to see you. Somebody's calling.
Thanks. Yeah, I'll have to call them back.
It's a 912 number. So
it says a suspected spam call.
Oh, yeah.
Anyway, all right, guys. All right. Thanks for watching. Guys. Appreciate y'all. Don't forget mcvproducts.com. I'd appreciate it. You'd appreciate it.
Oh, yeah.
All right, guys. You take care. We'll see you soon.
Bye.